Understanding bolt upright, a guide to English idioms. Hello, everyone. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms, and our phrase of the day is bolt upright. So sit back, relax, and get ready to add another interesting expression to your English vocabulary arsenal. When someone sits or stands bolt upright, they are sitting or standing very straight with excellent posture. Imagine a soldier at attention or someone who has just heard surprising news. It's not just about being upright, but the suddenness and the stiffness associated with the action. The word bolt here is used to describe the suddenness of the movement, much like a bolt of lightning. This idiom has been used in English literature for centuries, capturing the image of someone moving to an upright position quickly and unexpectedly. Let's put our idiom into action. You can say, he sat bolt upright when he heard the strange noise. Notice how it conveys not just the position but also the quick reaction to something. A common mistake learners make is using bolt upright in a gradual context. Remember, this phrase always implies a quick, immediate reaction. So you wouldn't say, she slowly sat bolt upright. That's a no-go. To really grasp this idiom, let's visualize it. Picture someone lying down and, upon hearing a loud bang, they sit up immediately and stiffly. That's bolt upright for you. And that wraps up our quick lesson on bolt upright. I hope this video has straightened out any confusion and you're now ready to use this phrase confidently in your next conversation. Keep practicing, and you'll be speaking English idioms naturally in no time. See you in the next video.